Lavender Fields is a new collection from our friends at the Paper Boutique through Creative Expressions. Now let me show you what this kit has. It has papers and cutouts. You can kind of see that on the front, but let me show you each of the papers. There are 36 sheets. You're going to get 6 designs. They are printed on a single side, as you can see, and you're going to get 6 of each one. So there's our first. There's a dot. And we also have more of the lavender, very, very pretty. A gingham with tone on tone, another all over pattern, combining the dots and the flowers. And I think that was our 6. I think we're back to, yes, we're back to the very first one. So that was all 6. You're going to get 6 of each one. In addition, you're going to get 32 die cuts. Now you're going to get 4 sheets of this. So you see this has 4 die cuts, but it also has these greetings that you're going to cut out to use. So you're going to get 4 of these. You're also going to get 4 of these. So that's going to be a total of 32 die cuts and a total of 16 cutouts, in addition to all those very pretty papers. Now that comes in one set. Then we also have coordinated cardstock. Now this has 24 sheets. There are 8 colors. I'll show you the 8 colors. You can kind of see them right there, but here they are in real life. These are A4 size, so they're, kind of think of them as 8.5 by 11, a little bit different. And you're going to get 3 of each one. So all those shades of purple, including some green to match all of the leaves and so forth. And that's what we have from the Paper Boutique. It's called Lavender Fields.